Hello, this is for any Russell Klein customers that are expecting their impression kits or they're about to do their impression kits. It is very, very important that you store them correctly until you do mail them out. So check this out. Okay, once you do your mouth impression from Russell Klein, you want to take it and wrap it up in a wet paper towel. If you do have a lower going back with it, just put it on top. There you go. Place it in a sandwich bag and place it in the refrigerator until you are ready to mail it off. It's very important. Now, there is a question that has come across me a couple times. Do I remove the impression from the tray once I do it? Absolutely not. You leave that impression in there, wrap it, and store it until you're ready to mail it off. You don't want to delay anything. You want to do everything right as possible. So yeah, the most simplest things can really cost you if you don't do it right. You caught that? See, something so simple is so important. So as soon as you do them, store them until you're ready to mail them out. Hope this helped. Have a good day. Bye.